If you're new to my channel, my name is Celeste. I kind of just post a little bit of everything about my life. Nursing, I'm a nurse, so I post a little bit of nursing content and then just things that I do around home too. So, good morning guys. I'm gonna be cleaning. This is gonna be basically just a cleaning video because I have a whole lot to do. I will show you guys what I got going on. So let's get this started. The living room's not too bad. I just got a couple things here. We finally got our bike rack, so we can put that on the car now, and then we can actually go places and do some trails. So that will be fun. Hope to do that soon. I have just papers and stuff that I gotta deal with. I have all of our dishes and everything that needs to be cleaned here. Some stuff on the counter, my stuff from work. I have laundry to do, and there's some more laundry in here, more laundry piles. Gotta clean our bed and then clean the bathroom. So luckily our apartment is little, so it's not terrible, but yeah, let's do a little bit of laundry. I also am gonna do some editing right now, so I'm gonna be doing that. I have not been posting as frequently as I would like, so I am gonna be trying to be more, whoops, how do I turn this light off? I wanna be more on top of it. I do wanna post at least once a week, and so that I've kind of fell off on, but here we are restarting. It's okay. So yeah, let's do a little bit of the laundry. So I just put a load of laundry. What I'm gonna do now is I have to renew my nursing license. It expires every year on my birthday. So I just got the notice, so I got to do that. It's $138 just to renew my license. So I got to do that before I forget, so I'm gonna do that. I also have to redo my CPR, my BLS, so I need to do the online portion for work, and then I need to go into work and do the skills part of the CPR, which we do on a mannequin, so I need to do that too. So renewing my nursing license, I have to renew my BLS, and then yeah, I'm basically gonna just catch up on some editing right now. So let's do that. Also, for those of you, if you are curious, the State Department of Health, wherever you live, they send you a letter letting you know that you need to renew your license for nursing. So, and they always do it on your birthday so that you can kind of remember. It's a yearly thing. You have to renew it every year. And on it has the website that you need to go on to. It's very simple. You log in with your password, your username, and then you just follow the steps. Say renew license, and you literally just pay online. It's really not hard at all. It takes maybe 5 minutes. But I can kind of show you guys if anybody's interested in that. Not time consuming at all. I just have to get it done because I've been telling myself I need to do it. So we are, let me log in so we can do this. Okay, just a second here guys. You can hear my washer going because I did put a load of laundry, so that's what you're hearing. So this is what the page looks like. Once you do your second verification, sends a code to your phone or email with the code. You can go here. This is the Washington State website for us, but whatever state you're in, you'll have something similar. Basically, you log in. So it basically tells you what licenses you have. I have my old CNA license, my nurse tech license, and my registered nurse license. And then you can click on there and say you are renewing. It shows you 2 different licenses. So I'm gonna click the registered nurse license. It asks you a couple questions. Do you hold an active multi-state license or in another state? I don't. I only have the one here in Washington. So after you do that, you just keep answering the questions. Says if Washington State is my state of residence. Yes, it is. Next. Confirm that everything is true to your best knowledge. Yes, everything is true. Basically it tells you here, you're saying yes, it's true. The fee is going to be the $138 that I have to pay, and then go add to invoice and pay invoice. And basically how are you paying for it, and that is essentially it. That's just how you renew it. You literally just pay for it. So we are finally going to take the bikes out. We're gonna put them on the bike rack that we finally got. Are we gonna go to Bennington?
Yeah. You wanna go there?
Here it is.
All right, Celeste, are you ready for our first official mountain bike ride?
Ready.
Woohoo! There's the bikes. We're out here. Ignore the cop in the background. And just smile. Hold it. Lit. Here she is. Little mountain biker Celeste.
What are you looking for, babe?
I am trying to figure out what size socket this nut needs. It's not 18. I like this color better.
The essentials at Home Depot.
All you got at Home Depot was chips, Celeste? Wow.
Nah, what did we get for it? What did we get?
It's this thing.
That right there. Cruiser sandwich.
I haven't tried it yet, but it looks delicious.
Okay guys, so I want to go to the store. I want to say we have pumpkin creamer, so I can make a pumpkin iced coffee. Let's go check it out, guys. Oh no. It's cute. I like your hoofs.
Not me.
Metió un little bug in my nose.
This one is well behaved. And with the little girl?
Yeah. Mira.
Oh, he's taking a deep. There we go.
What happened?
I put way too much ketchup on it on accident.
Hey guys, so we just got back from the fair. We just had a lot of fun and a lot of food. It was fun. We went like at 5 and then we got home around 8, so we were there for a good 3 hours. But yes, I really enjoyed it. We just walked around. We didn't get on any rides or anything like that. Just basically walked, got some of our favorite foods, treats, and then that was it. That was our day. Tomorrow we are going to be taking off to Painted Hills in Oregon. So that would be really fun. It's the fossil beds. So it's a whole bunch of hills. They got different colors. So that'll be really cool. I'll vlog that a little bit just so you guys can see But yeah, it's gonna be hot. It's gonna be like 96 degrees, so definitely gonna have to prepare for that. And then there's a lot of little like hiking trails and stuff, so it'll be nice to do that. They're not like hard hiking trails, they're pretty beginner trails, but I think it'll be really fun to do that and before summer ends and just enjoy the weather out there. So I will show you guys and bring you guys along.